Hello, good evening mga kawalwal. Hari kami diretso po dito kami ngayon sa Falcon Binongran for delivery for the fresh chicken, all parts of fresh chicken here in Binongran, Falcon. And now together with Kawalwal Rosinda, with Kawalwal Rosinda.
Sa ano naman yung next Thursday?
Delivery for Falcon Supermarket at Binongran.
Gusto ko ng sayaw.
Dito na kami for delivery for all parts of fresh chicken, mga kawalwal. I'm here. This chicken area. I'm putting all now my fresh chicken in the fridge. Fresh delivery today from Falcon Supermarket at Binongran. Available here Al-Wahad City now. So come now and buy it here at Falcon Supermarket at Binongran. See, let us show. I will show you all the stock here at frozen chicken. What's here? I'm making vlog inside the Falcon Binongran. Yes, this chicken area, fish, all seafoods here available in Falcon Supermarket at Binongran. Also available fresh chicken here in Binongran, Falcon here. See,
That is for tomorrow.
all available.
Yeah.
Our fresh chicken here now is arranging for the here. Arrange for the fresh chicken Al-Wahad.
Online the first one.
Here all deliver with Kawalwal Runing and Kawalwal Sinda with delivery for the fresh chicken, breast, legs, drumstick, wings, gizzard, liver here available either inside now for Falcon Supermarket at Binongran. The big model here is
Yeah.
arranging now inside the fridge here. And tomorrow again I will deliver to the other Falcon Supermarket with Kawalwal Runing and Kawalwal Rosinda in here.
What's the menu?
8. They don't have breast.
Sige naman po, yan naman po. Yeah.
May ano sa lima na statement.
Huh? Look at my chicken is arranged now inside the freezer. This is new delivery from Falcon Supermarket at Binongran together with Kawalwal Rosinda and Kawalwal Runing. Okay. Here is free delivery. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you and bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the
We'll take
button
tomorrow.
and
Today?
likes. And don't forget to hit the button bell. Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye.